Hey everyone, this is Chinmay back again, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that the date for the next Java batch has been decided, and it is the 7th of January 2025. So if you're interested for this course, you need to enroll. You need to get yourself enrolled within this week by the 22 or 21st of December 2024. So in this course, basically I will be helping you to study Java as a programming language while pursuing a back-end Java developer job position in Japan or in India. So you will be learning everything starting from fundamentals to like a intermediate level Java backend developer who can work for companies and can make backend applications. So we will be including basic of programming, core Java, advanced Java, database, deployment, and the application architecture thing. So everything is very much essential when you want to work as an IT programmer or IT engineer using Java coding language in Japan specifically, or in India as well. In Japan, Java is extremely popular and like one of the most popular language when you want to switch your job from non-IT to a IT background, and it is highly in demand. So if you are really interested in such type of courses, then feel free to contact me within this week so I can help you to get yourself enrolled. So yeah, if you are having any doubt regarding the content of the course or fee structure or timings or whatever, then feel free to make a comment and I would love to help you. Thank you.